it is normal as a creative to experience creative block, but to get out of it really quick, in this video I'll be explaining to you how you can actually solve this issue really quick. So with that being said, let's jump right into the video. So you can see designs. Yes, man, this is so great. See, this is design, man. So never get stuck again when learning from pros like this. Follow their handles, learn from them, learn from the best. Okay, so in this video we'll be learning how you can actually get design inspiration and ideas and never get stuck again. So in this video I'll be showing you top designers you can actually follow and you get good results from them. You model their designs and you never find issue with creative block again. So here is one on my list. So here is Pinterest. This is where you get you download your design image, or you know about Pinterest before. So we'll be diving more into this in this video, and I'll be showing you another application you can actually use to get design inspiration from. So let's do that really quick. So here's a design already. So you can see this is a church flyer design. So in case you want to design a church flyer design, you can actually get inspired from people like this. You can either copy their style or the way they manipulate their background and anything at all. So here's another design you can actually learn from. So here's another pattern also. Okay, so you just need to get creative about them. So here's another one, and it is also advisable you follow this kind of people. If you know some people are getting results you desire, you can just follow them and model their designs. So if you want to search for any other design at all, you just come right here. When you move this down like this slider is going to pop out. Yes, tap it. This is a search box. So here on our search box, anything you are searching at all, let's say you want to design for a beauty brand. So let's say social media design, right? Okay, social media design. So here is one already. So you can see this is a makeup flyer design. Also, I think this is for social media. Okay, so here is one social media design, and if you create an account with, you have access to save this kind of design. So this is the save option. Just tap on it. Okay, right here is going to take you to your board. Where you save your designs is called your board. So you can either come below here, yours should be empty, and you tap on create board, or you can see mine is when I tap on this board I've created. So you see that it is saved already. So here is how you can get people's design. If you don't know how to, if you don't, it's not advisable you copy them. You can either copy how the text is being arranged. You see another layout again. So you just get tricky about these things. You can get inspired about the model they use, not necessarily use the exact model, but how the model posts. So then you get your related image and you create good design from them. So here's another design. I think I love this one. So this is a Black Friday Black Friday sales design. Yes, this is so great. So you can tap on this plus icon again, come to this search box. So let's say church flyer design. Okay, let's say Thanksgiving. Yes. So let's search for Thanksgiving flyer design. So here is, there's a particular design I really love, so but I really want to show you something. So let's tap on this one. Okay, so right here you can see there are some elements you can actually see in this image. If you really love them and you want to get something related, you just come to this search icon like this. Sometimes it's not really accurate, but I think it works. It works really well. Then you crop your, so you can see it's bringing out related search. So here's it. So if you move down here, you can see, yes, the related images are popping out. So if you crop it really well, it's either going to bring the exact image used or the related. So these three dots above right here, just tap on it and you download the image into your phone device. So here is another one you can actually use, and it is called Instagram. So you can use Facebook, you can also use LinkedIn, you can use different social media platforms, but there's uniqueness about this Instagram of a thing, and I'm about to share it with you in this video.
Great idea.
So when you come below right here and click on your search option right here, so already you would see this. If you are a designer, you should see some things like this. So all these are great on their own. You can just search, you can just tap on this. So here is a birthday design for someone. So you can see how amazing it is. You can see it is really great. If you want to take, so if you are a poster designer, this is an inspiration for you already. So you can just take a screenshot of them or download in save application. So if you want to don't take much of your time. So when you click out like this and click on your search menu, so you can follow Elijah. He's a great friend, he's my boss also. So you can see his designs. He's a smartphone designer just for now. So you can see quality designs you can actually learn from. So these are great designs and great designers you can actually follow. You learn from their posts, learn how they arrange colors, how they blend backgrounds. So you can see the uniqueness of this background. It is really great. So this is another pattern you can actually follow when modeling. So you can see different styles, how the lens flare are being applied. A lot of these things. So yes, there is a beautiful design layout you can actually try. This is an affiliate marketing design. So this is so great, like I mean so great. So let's check another top designers project. So their name will be displayed on the screen right here. So here is another one. This is DD Von. Okay, so you can see designs. Yes, man, this is so great. See, this is design, man. So never get stuck again when learning from pros like this. Follow their handles, learn from them, learn from the best. You might not see much of great images on people's timeline, people's posts. Follow people on Instagram, join great designs platform on Facebook. So you can, man, see, this is so great. You can see different design layouts. Just try one of them, practice, and you see you'll be designing close to them. So let me show you the last one. I would just suggest you to follow. You can follow Na Crystal, follow Martins, follow Nana, follow Shizom Ogbona. So you can, to the last one, because of this video, here is one. Yes, this is a Photoshop design though, but you can try them out as a graphic designer. So we are all graphic designer. You just try them out. So this is another pattern of designing. You can see how sweet it is. So here is it. So you can either take screenshots of these designs. So you can see designs right here. This is so great. So if you don't want to take screenshot of them, you can just come to this three dots option right here and you copy the link. So and you use in save to save the image right away into your gallery with full quality. So you can see designs. So these are designs. So this is a poster design already. So even just by seeing it is so amazing. Follow them, follow trends, follow pros. So this is another food design you can model. So you can also follow this man on YouTube as well, and you learn from them. It doesn't matter you are a smartphone designer. When your work are great, then you can actually upgrade. So I hope you found this helpful, and do well to share your thoughts about this video. And I'll see you guys another time. Peace.